Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen for KBM, providing a full guide. First, physically connect your Zen device to your personal computer using the two supplied USB cables, one for power and one for data. Ensure your mouse and keyboard are also connected directly to the Zen's peripheral ports. Then, download and install the Zen Studio software from the official Cronus Zen website, preparing your system for configuration. Once Zen Studio is installed, open the application and connect your Zen device via its programming port. Head over to the Programmer tab, where you will find a library of available game packs. Carefully select a game pack that is optimized for keyboard and mouse use with your specific game title. Click and drag this game pack onto one of the 4 memory slots on your Zen device, then program it to load onto your Zen. With your game pack loaded, access the device panel within Zen Studio to fine-tune your keyboard and mouse experience. Here, you can adjust crucial settings such as mouse sensitivity, ensuring a smooth and responsive feel tailored to your playstyle. Pay close attention to dead zone values, setting them to 0 or very low numbers for precise input. Experiment with anti-recoil adjustments to significantly reduce weapon kick, giving you an edge in competitive gameplay. For advanced users, Zen Studio offers a powerful GPC scripting engine. You can explore the vast GPC library to discover custom scripts designed to enhance specific game mechanics, or create your own macros for executing complex button sequences with a single key press. Mastering these scripts allows for highly personalized control over your gameplay. Furthermore, leverage the 4 onboard memory slots for quick profile switching, adapting your KBM setup instantly across different game titles or playstyles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.